All that goodness. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are just going to make a nice, easy omelet. I got some really good ingredients here. We got, dropped a jalapeno. We got some jalapeno, onion, and red pepper in here. For the topping, my favorite, some gravy, sausage gravy from some biscuits and gravy that we made last night. So yeah, we'll just keep that warming up over here. I have these two burners on high. I'm going to bump them down to a medium high. These two are off. I'm going to cook my eggs over here. And yeah, then got some cheese we're going to throw in there. Some Mexican blend right there. So let's get going on these veggies. So we got a third cup of onion, a third cup of red pepper, and a third cup of the jalapeno, all diced up right there. I'm going to be throwing some pepper on the veggies here. And then once I put the egg on, I'm going to throw a little ground cayenne pepper in there. So yeah, really easy. It's going to go pretty quick. All right, so the veggies are pretty much done. They've only been on there for about 2 minutes, or like a minute and a half actually. So what we're going to do, let's check this. All right, this is still warming up a little bit. That's fine. It's on the hot zone. Over here, we're at about 240 right now. So let's get a little oil. I ran out of butter. I can't believe that happened, but I ran out and I didn't know. So we're just going to put some oil down right here. Let's get these eggs going. All right, we had some technical difficulties when we put the eggs down with the camera, but so I got it in roughly in a circle. It's going to keep running a little bit. That's no biggie. Let's just get these veggies in here. Get this stuff ready to go. Ooh, buddy. Just going to put you all right there. Oh, man. Got a whole bunch of goodness. Get these in here. Let's throw this cheese on. All right. That ought to do. It's going to be a big one. No big deal. All right, so I'm going to throw a little bit of this on here. A little cayenne. Spread that around a little. All right, now we're just going to let this set up a little bit more. Then we're going to flip her. All right, so these burners on this side have not been on. So this side over here is the coolest. So it's not setting up very good right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and flip the heavy side here. Oh, baby. There we go. We're good. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Now I'm going to let that set up a little bit more. Then we're going to flip the whole thing. A little flimsy right up here. Boom. Got it on the hot zone now. Let's let her cook. All right, we got the gravy ready to go. Let's give this one more flip. Right here. Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So I got it right here in my hot zone. Let's get some of this gravy on it right now. You on? Mm-hmm. More? All right, here we go. Baby, man, this thing is heavy. Definitely should have grabbed a big plate. All right, we're all shut off. Baby, give this thing a taste. All that goodness. Look at that. Oh, that gravy, look at all that cheese. and veggies. How do I see jalapeno? My mouth's watering. Pretty hot. Them toasted veggies. Oh man, they're so good. That creamy cheese. Now this is the same recipe of the gravy that I always make. I did a video, I think, last year on that, and it's just amazing. Spicy. We put the red pepper flakes in there, make it nice and spicy. Oh man, got a hint of that cayenne in there. The eggs, I put about half a teaspoon of baking soda and then like 2 tablespoons of whole milk. So good. Eggs are super fluffy. It's really hot. That's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.